Hi, Sun Earth. I see you in Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the liquid dish soap. First, congrats on your 4.5-star rating. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim, I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keyword. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see that you are not banking for any of the keywords here, which likely means that you're leaving money on the table. Now, what this means is that you are not indexing for any keywords here. You can check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keyword for your listing, and we can share this export for free if you will book a call with us to help you out. And down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. So as you can see, you are not indexing for any of the keywords here. Now, for this keyword phrase up here, which is dish soap with 500,000 searches, you are not indexing here. What this means is that whenever a customer searches for this keyword phrase, you are not being seen here at all. And this is such a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if customers can find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can also help you push the rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now, let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is dish soap. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $31 million per month, and top sellers are averaging around $400,000 per month. Now, looking at yours over here, I can see that you are not getting your fair share here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. We also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Molly's Liquid Dish Soap. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly here. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 18,000 units and have generated $300,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution here, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. I can see here that your title exceeds Amazon's new character limit, which is 75 characters. Starting July 27, Amazon may shorten it automatically, which could affect your SEO as well. So you have to work on your title here. And then for your bullet points and title, don't forget to update it regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, you do have your 6 images with infographics as well. You could also add 6 images plus one video to improve your listings visibility. Let's go down here below to your A plus content. Okay, good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. Let's see if you've also utilized your alt text. Okay, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I can give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well in Amazon. Now, those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.